right now, the plant kingdom does have a sacred contract to feed humanity. That is very much the case. However, not every plant is created equal. You have plants that are pro-humanity, and then you have plants that, on the contract level, have, I don't want to say they're against humanity, but they have been birthed as a way to regulate humanity's population.
Time to play. Is this information credible? Spoiler alert, no, but let's go through it. So, the plant kingdom has a sacred contract to feed humanity, but not all plants want to do it. Some, like nightshades, are trying to kill us. Okay. So, let's go with the who. It's, I guess, the plant kingdom, like all of them, and the human population. Very broad, non-specific. We're missing who signed the contract, like who specifically. Was it like all plants got out a pen and paper? All humans? I certainly didn't sign any contract with a plant. Was it some celestial deity that said, okay, you're here to feed humans now, and some plants are just like, oh no, fuck you actually? No. So we're missing a very big who here. Who organized this contract? There's the what. I guess there's a what here. The what being a sacred contract with the plants to feed humanity, and also some plants that are against that to control our population, such as nightshades, allegedly. Again, it does not go into any depth about what the sacred contract is. Is it just like a verbal agreement? Is it a written contract? Is it a spiritual contract that nobody knows about except for this random chick? There's no when. There's no when at all. When was this signed? At the beginning of the universe, before plants existed? Like, before humanity existed? Like, when was this? Because plants existed a lot earlier than humans, so was there a contract in place before humans came? So there's no when, but obviously. There's also no where, other than, I'm assuming, planet Earth, which is very broad. We're also missing a why. Why did the plants sign this contract? It is not very good for them if they did sign a contract. And why did humanity sign a contract with plants? Why don't animals have that contract with humanity? Why was this contract, again, it's not a real contract because it doesn't exist, why is it here in the first place? There's a spiritual, sacred contract. Why? Who put that there? What is this for? And why, if animals don't have a contract, then why do people eat animals? There's, like, if we weren't supposed to eat animals, we physically wouldn't be able to digest them. So, why are we able to eat animals? Also, it's easier for us to digest animal matter than it is plant matter. We can't digest cellulose. So, it would make more sense for animals to have a contract with us. Just saying. Also brings up the concept of why are not all plants on board with it, I guess. Why are specifically nightshades trying to kill us, I guess? And then why can we actually eat nightshades? Again, not deadly nightshade, not datura or any of that, but like tomatoes, potatoes, peppers, eggplant, etc. Why are they trying to kill us, and yet we can still eat them fine, but why can we not eat, for example, I'm blanking. I did an entire series on poisonous plants. Why can't I think of one? Like foxglove. Why can't we eat foxglove? But we can eat tomatoes and potatoes. So why are some specific plants trying to kill us? And why are some of them food? So there's a lot of whys. There's so many more, but that's all I can think of off the top of my head. And finally, how? How did this contract get put into place? How does this chick know about it? Like, how did she find out about it? How was it decided that plants would feed us? How was it decided which plants would decide not to do that, allegedly? Like, how was it decided which plants are edible and which are not, and which are apparently trying to kill us to control our population? How are we still able to eat animals if they don't have a contract with us? And, like, again, how does this bitch know about it? There's no sources. Can she talk to plants? No. So how does she know about this? There's no spiritual energy giving her all of this information. She's just making it up. She's pulling it out of her ass. So, long story short, no, this information isn't credible. There's no fucking sacred contract between humanity and plants for them to feed us.